Hello Instagram users. In this video, we will be showing you how to allow mentions from people that you follow on Instagram on Android. If you're someone who likes to connect with friends and family on Instagram, then you probably want to make sure you never miss a mention from those closest to you. By following these simple steps, you can make sure that you are always in the loop when someone you know mentions you. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're on the app, tap on your profile picture, which is located in the right bottom of the screen. Next, tap on the menu bar, which is located in the top right corner of the screen. Once you tap on the menu bar, you'll see a bunch of options. From there, tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, you'll see another set of options. From there, tap on Tags and Mentions. Once you're there, you'll see the option, Allow Mentions from People that you follow. Finally, tap on that option to select it. Once you've done that, you're all set. You've successfully allowed mentions from people that you follow on Instagram on Android. It's important to note that by selecting this option, you may still miss mentions from people you follow if you don't regularly check your notifications. So make sure to keep an eye on your notifications and mentions to stay up to date with what's going on. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can make sure that you never miss a mention from someone you follow on Instagram. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like us to cover, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.